Hello everyone, this is Deepa Sahu. Today I am going to give views on 4D printing, technology of the future. Can you imagine a world where things can automatically change itself as according to external stimuli? They don't need any human interference to control their change in property. Your clothes change their behavior is according to weather condition. In the world of artificial intelligence, device follows human command. They need human interference to control their actions. Is it possible? Let's start with this presentation. In this presentation, I am going to detailing about technical aspect of 4D printing technology, material selection and properties, application of 4D printing technology. What do you understand by the term manufacturing? Manufacturing is a process of conversion raw material into final product. Manufacturing comes into the world as human existence. We manufacture different kind of components according to our need. On the basis of technical advancement, we classified manufacturing techniques into two types: traditional manufacturing and additive manufacturing. Traditional manufacturing is a material removal process. It is subtractive by nature. A traditional manufacturing complete a whole process into number of steps. These steps required man-material interaction in every stage. Traditional manufacturing is a combination of number of process, for example casting, injection molding, machining and forming. Casting is the only process where we use liquid metal. Traditional manufacturing involves with 4M. These M are man, machine, material and money. Additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing is adding material layer by layer to create a 3D object. Rapid prototyping and 3D printing is the famous example of additive manufacturing. The process which we use in additive manufacturing are sheet laminated, direct energy deposition, powder bed fusion, fuse deposition, modeling. Complex geometry can be made into single step with the help of additive manufacturing. What is the comparison between traditional and additive manufacturing? In additive manufacturing, the production time is shorter due to it complete a whole process in a single step. But in traditional manufacturing, we need material handling time, machine operating time, inspection and quality testing time, and supply time. So the production time in traditional manufacturing is increased as compared to additive manufacturing. Additive manufacturing reduces material wastage due to addition by nature. It adds material layer by layer. But in traditional manufacturing, we remove material from a metal block. So it increases the chances of material wastage. Additive manufacturing easily customized. You can create new and complex geometry in additive manufacturing. But in traditional manufacturing, it is difficult to customize whole supply chain just because of a single change. Additive manufacturing cheaper to make prototype. It encourages the entrepreneurship skill in humans. In additive manufacturing, you doesn't need larger factory setup area. You can produce components into a small room also. In traditional manufacturing, it is expensive to make prototype. You cannot change whole factory setup just because of product changes. Additive manufacturing reduced labor cost. Traditional manufacturing increased labor cost because it need huge amount of manpower to control their supply chain. 4D printing technology. 4D printing technology is not really connected to mechanical engineering. It deals with material property. It is an advancement of 3D printing technology. What is 3D printing technology? 3D printing technology works on the principle of stereolithography. It comes in 1980 by Japanese Dr. Kodama. In 1990, we developed 3D printers and CAD to design. In 2005, 3D printed components are used in biomedical industries. In 2008, we are developed prosthetic leg made by 3D printer. Innovations and research are continued in this sector. In 2012, the first prosthetic jaw is printed by 3D printer. In 2014, a new concept 4D printing is came into market. 4D printing was first introduced by TED Professor Skylar Tibbets in his February 2013 speech at MIT conference. In 2017, MIT University collaborated with many giant industries to create more and more 4D printed components. Before I am going to forward 4D printing technology, I would like to give a small description about 3D printing technology. 3D printing works on the geometry of objects. It is improved form of rapid prototyping based on the first patent published in 1984 under stereolithography. The main steps involved in 3D printing are as: first, we draw objects in 3D simulation software, CATIA, SolidWorks, etc. The simulation software convert geometric code and instruct 3D printer to work on 2D model. 3D printer is a device which fused material powder into a 3D geometry. Thus, a 3D printing technology works on the principle of stereolithography. What is the working of 3D printer? A 3D printer uses laser light as an energy source. A laser source sends a laser beam to solidify the material. The elevator raises and lowers the platform to help place the layers. The weight contains the material used to create the 3D object. The 3D object is created as parts are layered on the top to each other. Advanced 3D printer use one or more material including plastic, resin, titanium, polymers and even gold and silver. What is the growth rate of 3D printed components? 3D printed components are used electronics sector, automobile, medical, architecture, aerospace and education. It creates complex geometry in a single step, and 3D printed components are mainly used in medical sector also. Skylar Tibbets is renowned co-director and founder of Self-Assembly Lab housed at MIT's International Design Center. In 2014, they developing the concept of 4D printing technology. We see in the environment such type of plants that respond to human contact. Skylar used this principle into material science. They developed such type of smart material that can respond to change their shape over time. He has worked as a number of renowned design houses including Zaha Hadid Architecture, Asymptote Architecture and Point B Design. Skylar is not a mechanical engineer. He is an associate professor of architecture in MIT University. What is 4D printing technology? 4D printing technology is an advanced version of 3D printing. 3D works on the geometry of a component, whereas 4D printing, the extra D is represented at the dimension of time. The structure can change its shape over the time. 4D printing technology used multi-material printer and smart material. What is technical aspect of 4D printing technology? 4D printing technology use 3 steps: simulation software, 3D printer and smart material. Simulation software for self-assembly design construct optimization. Autodesk, CATIA, open source software are used here. 3D printer. 3D printer is a device which converts 2D component into 3D object. 3D printer has capability to print multiple smart material. International industries and Indian industries also produce 3D printer. For example, Statix, Roba 3D, SolidView, Geomagic. Smart material. Smart material are those material that can change their shape upon external stimuli. It can be pressure, temperature, mechanical strain and pH change also. For example, shape memory alloys and self-healing material. Simulation software. Cyborg 4D simulation software. It converts the 3D view of a 2D model and creates geometric code and instruct a 3D printer to work on this principle. Cyborg a design platform spanning application from nanoscale to the human scale. 4D printing software. Simulation mechanism and working of to test object by using appropriate subroutine. Printing management. Control other strategies of 4D printer. Host and fireware software. Transfer geometric code from PC to 3D printer and translation of geometric code. Slicer. Convert prototype information to geometric code and provide necessary direction to the printer. Monitoring software to monitor all the different stages of process. Modeling create a 3D prototype of the object. 3D printer. 3D printer is a device which convert 2D model into 3D object. It follows the instruction given by software. The cost of 3D printer is varies from 19,000 to 2.5 crore depend on the brand, size, feature, capability of 3D printer. 3D printer now comes in the market with different of sensor which control the dimension of 3D object. International companies which supply 3D printer are Rover 3D and Statics. Rover 3D supply portable design printer. It has printing capability of 5 material. Statics connects multi-material technology. Connects first has printing capability of 3 material. Here is some example of a smart material. First one is polymeric gel. Polymeric gel take pH change as input and respond to swelling or contracting. Polymeric gel is used as artificial muscle. Electrorheological fluid. It takes electric signal as an input and respond to viscosity change. It is used in torsional steering system and damper system. Pyroelectrical material takes temperature change as an input and respond to electric signal. It is used in personal sensor. Polymer, for example, thin film cellulose, takes humidity change as an input and respond capacitance and resistance change. It is used in humidity sensor. Smart material are material that are manipulated to respond in a controllable and reversible way, modifying some of their properties as a result of external stimuli such as certain mechanical stress, certain temperature, and among others. Changes are everywhere. Things are changed as according to time, but we control this kind of change in our as per our requirement. Smart material change their shape over the time as a human being changes from his childhood to old age. What is the working of smart material? Smart material works on the principle of change. They takes external stimuli as an input and respond to change their shape as an output. Here is an example of austenite structure. We can link this with the heat treatment of iron. If we heat iron above its recrystallization temperature, it changes atomic arrangement, and when the atomic arrangement change, the property of material is automatically changed. Recrystallization temperature is that temperature above which if you heat the material, it changes its atomic arrangement. Here martensite detuned structure, if we heat it up, it changes its structure to austenite. And when austenite structure is cooled at a room temperature, it changes martensite tuned structure. So we say here that if we change the temperature, atomic structure is changed. Same principle it applies on smart material. The top example of smart material is graphene. Graphene is the one of the material called upon the revolution of the future of different industries. It has high thermal and electrical conductivity more than on copper or silver. It is ultra light, 1,000 times lighter than paper. It is more flexible and elastic and malleable than carbon fiber and up to 200 times stronger than steel. Here is some list of smart material, their composition and transformation range, the temperature range in which they change their shape. Nickel titanium, nickel aluminum, Indian titanium, ferrous beryllium and ferrous platinum. What is the major difference between 3D and 4D printing? 3D printing is related to the geometry of a component, whereas 4D printing components are change their shape over the time. 3D printing doesn't show dynamic shape change. In 3D printing, we use thermoplastic, metal alloys, biomaterial, and gel. In 4D printing, we use some smart material such as shape memory alloys and shape healing polymers. What is the application of 4D printing? We use 4D printing components in healthcare, consumer, automobile, aerospace, military, robotics, industrial manufacturing. Many giant industries are show their interest in 4D printed production. NASA has collaborated with MIT University to produce such type of fabric which can be used for aerospace industries. What is the conclusion of presentation? 4D printing technology is still in early phase of S-curve. Dominating hardware and software is still needs some research in this field. 4D printing technology will be getting increasing popular as the trends towards its integration with the giant industries like manufacturing, healthcare have increased.